In this video, we're going to be reporting on who is in a campaign. We're going to go in depth into campaign reporting in this section and all the different angles that we can hit the database. So in this video specifically, we're going to cover how to see who in general is active in a particular campaign. So we're going to look at navigating to your list of campaigns and then specifically the active contacts report. So inside Infusionsoft, you're going to want to go to the marketing section and go to Campaign Builder. And this will pull up your list of campaigns. And then find the campaign that we want to report on and click on the Active Contacts column. And here is our report. This is a list of contacts that are active in this campaign, and this report is going to show all the contacts who are active within a sequence, any sequence that's in this campaign. So remember, this report operates like any normal search report, so we can customize the data to display by clicking on the Edit Criteria Columns button. So for example, if we wanted to pop their email in this report or something like that, we could do that as well. There's also another way to directly access this report if we want. We can go to our marketing reports, and towards the bottom we have our unique campaign contacts. And you would have to manually configure it. When you go the campaign builder version, it kind of does some of this pre-configuring for you to save some time. In our next video, we're going to look at reporting on who is in or was in a specific campaign sequence.